This is my lower body strength workout and I attribute it to Tim Ferriss, who's got a blog on how to gain 10 kg of muscle within 30 days. The first exercise is my number one favorite exercise. It's called hyperextensions and it's great for preventing back pain. It works the whole posterior chain including hamstrings, glutes and lower back muscles. I tend to use body weight and try to go till failure, so try to do as many reps as I can and do a couple of sets of that in between sets of my other exercises. Once you find it easy with body weight, you can move on to adding weight. Hold on to a weight plate, gradually increase the weight as this gets easier. Do 3 sets until failure. You can also do this with a barbell once the plates get easy. I do these exercises in a slow controlled manner because it's not about weight, it's about resistance. You're trying to initiate muscle growth and improvements in strength. So go slow with the techniques. Don't worry about what anyone else is doing or how much they're lifting. Deadlifts is a phenomenal exercise for increasing kind of your thickness in your muscles, but also it's great for improving sports performance, shown here by the study where it increases jump height, which is a marker of athletic ability. Here I'm doing deadlifts with my body weight and you can see this guy here doing it with a lot heavier than body weight, so you can infinitely progress as you get more experienced with this. Squats is an all-round phenomenal exercise, great for lower body strength. Here we're going arse to grass or full squat, which is good for improving mobility as well as increase strength compared to the half squat. Studies again show that squats, heavy squats, barbell squats increase sports performance and vertical jump, which is a recognized indicator of athleticism. Here you can see somebody going a lot heavier than I can, and again this is infinitely scalable depending on your ability and your experience, but the most important thing is to do it injury free, so do it nice and controlled and progress slowly. With all my exercises I do 2 warm-up sets and then 5 working sets where I usually go within the 6 rep range. Pause at the bottom of the rep because again it's resistance that builds muscle, not weight. So it's not about how much weight you lift, it's about actually giving the muscle work so that it grows, also known as time under tension. I intersperse all of my sets with sit-ups, leg raises, toes to bar, any kind of core stability exercise. This way I'm getting in hundreds of repetitions per workout and it's not boring or tedious at the end of a session to try and fit in. If you have a strong core, you're much less likely to develop lower back pain and it's going to improve other lifts that you do as well. Bruce Lee was a big proponent of working on your core stability each and every day. Key points are on techniques like the plank. Do it in press up position as opposed to on your elbows because it recruits more muscle fibers, and suck in the belly button. All of these exercises are scalable, so you can start with easier exercise and then progress. For example, we just carried out leg raises, now we're going on to knees to bar and then we'll go on to toes to bar. These are progressions in difficulty. These 3 exercises work the same area. You can continue progressing by changing the exercise to a more difficult one, or doing the exercise you're doing but with a heavier weight, with more reps, with less of a break in between sets, or by increasing the sets, i.e. volume.